look at us, we have the same hair.
Okay, so let's have a look at your sink faucet situation.
Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around if I can. There it goes. Okay, flippity, flippity. So it's a
Oh, okay.
Delta.
It's a
It
Delta.
was installed in when this house was built, so that would have been 2006. Um, Originally, it was just this leak, like probably, I don't know,
What's
several
that?
years old.
What's that clear stuff coming out of it?
Water? The dripping? Yeah, that's water. And here's my handy little water catcher thing that I use, so not to waste water.
How many
But
times do you have to
recently,
empty that a day?
oh, I just use it like to wash my hands or wash my face with. It
Okay.
doesn't overflow yet unless we go on vacation.
Okay, so it's a slow
But
leak.
so it was. And then recently, I don't know if you could tell, but now it started leaking out of the base, and now it's just all wet here. Just got a big pool of water, so it's pretty nasty.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
now I'm thinking this is time to escalate.
Yeah.
Escalate. So
Right.
I looked at your video. I watched that whole video, and now we're going under the sink.
Dun dun dun
Wearing my
dun dun
I forgot to show you. Wearing my plumber clothes. Plumber clothes. See, good, ready to go. Got my plumber hair. All right.
dun.
Hope we can see. I got the kids' lantern to help me because I'm out of this flashlight.
You gotta pull down
Can
your
you see
pants.
anything?
You gotta pull down your pants a little so you got plumber crack showing.
I know, but I didn't want to scare you all with that image, so we're just gonna sit here. Can you see anything?
I see the water shut off. The
Yeah. Would you call it that fancy name?
angle stop.
Angle stop.
Angle
Angle
stop.
stops.
Yeah, that's
So
the.
the angle stops, they do not appear to be rusted and they do not appear to be damaged. However,
No, they look
it's
nice.
extremely difficult. This one I can turn
Yeah.
a little bit left, a little bit right.
Mhm.
So I'm trying to tighten that one as much
Okay.
as I can. It's very hard. But this other one I cannot move at all either direction. And I don't want to break it. I don't know if I should just try harder or not try.
Yeah, try a little harder to turn it to the right.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, I probably need gloves, but let's just see if that first one worked. I don't. Oh no! See, it's
Try the
still.
other valve.
No, see, it's not turning it off.
It didn't turn all
That's
the
what
way.
makes me worried. What do you think that means?
Well,
I'm not turning it all the way.
you're not turning it all the way. Yeah. You
Okay.
need to turn it more to the right.
Now, is it true? Because somebody told me that in plumbing, it's not righty tighty, lefty loosey.
No,
Is it or is it not?
it is righty tighty.
Okay. So that one I was actually able to go all. Seems like all the way. I was able to turn it off. Oh yes. Okay.
Okay,
So
so we
no
got
water on that one.
probably the cold water off, right?
Yeah, all the cold. But this other one is a bear. It's like a monster. Like I'm.
Just work it. Work it.
I'm trying, but it doesn't want to turn. What do I do?
Hmm.
I'm pretty strong, but obviously I'm not matched for this picture, this crazy ankle stopper thing.
Ankle stopper.
It's gonna be my ankle stopper. Oh, I think I turned it. Did I turn it? Man, too bad you're not here. You could just totally ruin this bad boy. Oh, I just turned it.
You got it moving, huh?
Oh, it's moving. It's moving.
Yeah.
It does not want to. It's very unhappy.
It's a stubborn one, huh?
Yeah, it's really mad.
That handle isn't bending or anything, is it?
How would I know?
Well, I mean, it's made of cheap, like, I don't even know if it's metal, but you know, the little thing you're grabbing to turn it.
Yeah.
Like, I've seen those bend before. I can,
Right.
but if it's not bending. You're okay.
Okay, please don't work. Ah, doggone it.
It'll probably turn about the same number of times that the other one turned.
Yeah, the other one turned a lot, but it was a lot more fun. And this ankle stomper is not a nice ankle.
Ankle stopper. Good luck getting your ankle in there.
I know, but it wants to stomp my ankle. I can tell. It's not my friend.
Hmm.
What else could I use to grip it? I tried some plastic gloves and I tried this piece of cloth.
What do you got in the way of wrenches?
Oh, I have wrenches, but this thing's kind of big for a wrench, don't you think?
Well, if you have an adjustable wrench, that would be the tool that might work. Adjustable wrench.
Okay, I have this guy.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Yeah?
Yep, you got it.
Nice. Look at that, on the first try.
Awesome.
Got the adjustable wrench. Now I'm really serious.
Well, it's weird because I looked it up on the internet and they're bringing up crescent wrenches. I'm like, no, that's the crescent
Ankle stomper, I'm gonna stomp
wrench.
you. Look at these bad boys. These are the jaws of death. Trump, Trump, Trump. All right.
Oh, you're smashing me!
Smash my face too. So, now
So-
I gotta somehow get this around that crazy thing.
No, first set those adjustable wrench to where it's like on the second setting, and the T should be about the size of the width. Yeah, go click it down to where it's the easy part.
How do I do that?
Go
Middle?
up and to the side. I'm thinking the second. That looks about right.
It's the second one. It's in the middle.
That looks about right. See how that fits. See if it grabs that the handle of the angle stop. I think maybe you could grab the width of it.
Like that?
Yeah, I like that.
You're kind of heading out to the side. You knew that.
Oh, there you
Like
there you
you're
are.
drifting off the screen.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, you see it?
Yep.
Okay.
So
You're
right
not
now,
right,
oh, that might work.
Ah!
Okay, but instead of coming at it straight, come at it from the side, so you're at the same on the same.
Like that?
No, what I'm thinking is I'm trying to think of how to describe. Oh, that might work. You're on the.
It's kind of moving a little bit.
Oh, go easy. Don't want to break it. Yeah, go easy. Now try it with your hand again.
Okay.
Maybe you broke it loose enough to turn it now.
What's holding it? What's making it sticky?
They just get old and stubborn, just like me.
Yeah, for sure. Me too.
Just like us.
Oh, it keeps getting me into trouble, my stubbornness. Way back. Way back in the stubborn. Nope.
All right.
Look what happens. Okay, I'm not quite doing it right, but...
Try to get it right by the middle. And
Okay.
then, okay, yeah, now try.
Ow! Right. Okay. Turning.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, there you go. Now you're cooking.
It's making cracking noises.
It's okay. It's not leaking, so we're doing good. You got a bucket?
Thanks. Yeah, otherwise it's gonna ruin my phone if the water leaks all over the phone right now.
Yeah, it would be a good idea to have a bucket just in case.
Okay. Well, is it okay if we just keep going until that happens? It'll be more exciting.
Yeah. So try it by hand again. Go easy. I don't want you to break this thing. You got it turning. Take it. Go back and forth a little bit. See if you can get it.
Back and forth. Back and forth. Okay. Back. Oh, I gotta take off my sweater. I'm getting hot.
Now you're working. The ankle stop workout.
This is ankle stopper carry burning. 29.
It's about the most awkward position you can be in under a bathroom. They don't make it.
Help us out a little?
It's not ergonomic at all.
Yeah, I was wondering if people
So-
who name these things have any sense. Okay.
Are you getting any movement now with your hand? If you're able to go back and forth a little bit?
Not really.
No.
No. Tell me again what the point is of all this.
Well, if you need to be able to shut the water off to fix the sink in any case.
Yeah, but didn't you say something like, if there's a problem with this thing, then it's already too big a job?
Well, yeah, like if you were to break that thing right now,
Okay, which I probably will.
we might have a problem. You have to call a plumber.
Yeah.
Because if water starts pouring out of that, the only chance we have is shutting off the main to your house.
Ooh. Yeah, that's not good.
Yeah,
Okay.
we don't really want to get into that.
Well, let's just see if the water's coming out again.
Well,
Maybe I got enough. I get a
I don't
lot.
think
It's
so.
twisty. Well, I'm hopeful. Let's
All
see.
right, let's take a look.
Oh,
No.
look, it's very little. It's less water.
Yeah, you got to turn that sucker some more.
That's kind of hopeful that it's less water.
Take a look at it. Is it starting to bend at all? Is the handle starting to look bent up? It still looks okay. All right, keep turning it with the wrench.
Okay. Here we go.
Just try to keep the wrench so you're not like tweaking it at a weird angle, I guess is what I'm trying to get at.
Can you see it right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this is some high drama, action-packed adventure here. Me and my dinosaur tooth.
Right, closer to the center.
Okay, close to the center.
You got it. Okay, good.
Oh, it's turning, it's turning. This is good.
Woo,
It's
doggy.
totally turning.
Now you're
It's
turning.
turning, dude.
You're doing all right. You're doing all right. Keep doing what you're doing. That's a working.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. That's good. I think it decided not to mess with me anymore. It's
Keep-
like,
keep-
yeah, baby.
Keep turning it till it stops.
She's too tough for me. I give up. I give up. I can tell she's not gonna let go of this thing.
Once she gets a hold of an ankle, she doesn't stop.
Exactly. This ain't stomp forget nothing. I'm gonna stomp you. Oh yeah, baby.
What's with the towel? I don't get that.
Badass. I don't know, because these three little ridges on the side kind of hurt my
It hurt
hand.
your fingers. Okay, sorry.
I'm not all tough constriction man like you.
Yeah, I forgot about that. My fingers have like no feeling on them.
I have very nice, sensitive fingers still, and I'll keep them that way. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. No water. Yes.
What do you know about that?
Okay, now to actually want water.
Wait, it should get easier to turn.
Yeah.
So turn them both. Turn them both so we're sure we don't have any water at all. Turn both valves open.
Both valves open. There is a tiny little drip coming out.
Yeah, so we gotta turn that sucker some more.
Oh, I had a feeling you were gonna say that.
Check the other one. The one you could turn with your hand. Give it a little more.
That one's pretty tight.
Yeah, and it seemed like it wasn't leaking at all. Yeah, it's the pain in the butt one.
Yeah, I can tell because when I turn the other one, it's not coming out.
Yeah.
Wait a
Okay.
minute. Wait a minute. No.
Test it. Yeah.
If I turn that one and it goes off, then it is that one. Okay, that's off. On. Oh, it is from that one.
The other one. Yeah. Okay.
Ah. Okay,
So
we
just
got it.
just crank it a little more until it goes.
That bad boy.
Well, can you do it with your hand?
I think my hand's kind of done.
All right. Do the wrench.
I'll try.
Use the force. Use the force.
I won with the angle stopper.
Okay, go easy. You don't want to break it. No. Wrench it is.
Wrench is my friend here today. Oh, I think I turned this on.
All right, that might have got it.
Alright, let's check this thing. Hopefully I'm not
Come
getting sick with all my
on.
flipping around.
I'm getting a little dizzy, but that's okay.
Huh? Oh, there's a tiny little drop, but it's not very much.
All right. I think I could.
Count that?
I can say we're past step one because we can turn your water off.
Oh, there's a lot of work. I don't know. You mean I gotta turn that back on now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, unless you got another sink you can use for the next however many days.
Yeah, it wouldn't be very nice to our housemate. She probably wants to use the same.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to turn it back on. Maybe is your housemate have stronger fingers?
I know, right?
Get her down there.
No.
No, they should be easier to open.
Oh my goodness, look at this one.
Huh?
This one is so easy now. It just like,
Yeah, it should be easier now. Once
Yeah,
you break
it's
them
like-
loose.
it's like butter, baby. This right one has always been my better friend.
And do me a favor, like after you're done turning them, kind of feel around underneath it and make sure there's no dripping water coming out of it.
Oh, okay, good. I mean, down here, everything looks brand new.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I don't feel any water. But should they both be fixing the same way now? 'Cause they're not.
No, you're just gonna turn them in as far as you can.
Okay, well it seemed easier, so let's see if they come on and we'll know. Now the hot water doesn't really matter anyway, we don't use it, but yeah. We got plenty of water to work with.
That's enough, yeah.
So we passed step one.
Yep, we're good.
Now basically what that means is I can go ahead and replace this sucker on my own. I just gotta figure out how to do that.
Yeah, replacing the faucet, let's say that's like a level 4 of difficulty.
Oh man. I thought you said I could do that.
We could, but I forget because I got like man hands, like it's hard to turn stuff and wrench on stuff if you're not used to it, and I forget about that, And so,
But
like,
I did do it.
you did, and I'm not saying you can't. I'm just saying it's not going to be like level 1 easy. It's going to be like level 3 or 4 hard.
Okay.
But I think what we should do is try first to replace the guts of the faucet and see if that works.
The what?
The guts.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you said it's just as easy to replace the whole thing.
I did say that, but now that I was watching you turn the ankle stops off, it was making me realize. No, I think you. I definitely think you could do it, but it's also cheaper solution, and it's more environmentally friendly if we can keep the thing working. Unless you.
I was a little worried about all that waste. Yeah, I don't really want that faucet in garbage.
Unless you like hate that faucet, how it looks or how it operates or something.
No, I mean it is kind of grimy. It's kind of grimy, but it works. I mean, I don't really want to throw the whole thing away. That seems drastic.
Okay, so let's try to fix it.
Alrighty. So you're gonna go with me to the hardware store, right?
Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
All right, good. Step 2.
Do you still got the water turned off?
No, I turned it back on. It works now. It's good.
Okay, because we could. What we're gonna do when it's time to go to the store is we're gonna try to take the part out that we're gonna replace. Turn them both off, and we'll pop one of those open and see if we could get the cartridge out that we're gonna replace.
Yeah, I think we replaced the cartridge on another one. That worked pretty well. So I kind of have done a little bit of that part.
Okay, yeah, that might be pretty smooth.
Okay, cool, deal. Step 2.
Yeah.
How to replace the guts of your leaky faucet.
High five. You did it. That was sweet.
Awesome work.
Nice.
The point is of all this?
Yeah.
What's holding it? What's making it sticky?
They just get old and stubborn, just like me.
Yeah, for sure.
If you were to break that thing right now,
Okay, which I probably will.
we might have a problem. You have to call a plumber.
Yeah. I don't know. You mean I gotta turn that back on now?
Yeah. Well, unless you got another sink you can use for the next. I did say that, but now that I was watching you turn the ankle stops off, it was making me realize.